Hey everyone, it's Mario. Thanks for joining me. It's 9:30 on Saturday evening. I did a maybe 7.5, 8.5 hour live of unboxing, assembling, and testing my first 3D printer, the Ender 3 3D printer. Anyway, no one has that kind of attention span. Even if it was 8.5 minutes, that'd be tough. So what I'm doing is just a video with everything just blares right through from start to finish, so you could just see what I'm up to. I have some things I'll be doing with this in the future, but I want you to see what was going on, something other than cooking. I don't eat all the time. So anyway, thanks a lot, stick around.
I want to point out the thing, this webbing here. This is here strictly so it can start to build these support stanchions. So let me use a pencil. So what it did was it drew this web here all around, and then it drew, you know, started to draw these stanchions all the way up, because the nose just can't float in midair, neither can the ears. So it builds those stanchions. Now when you design the product, you don't have to do that. When you go to use something like Cura, there's a setting, something like add supports or something like that. I don't know the exact saying, but that's you know, what it does. So when I break this off, when I take this off, I'm just going to take off this webbing, what it looks like, and then break off the stanchions, hopefully without damaging anything. Now, there are some third-party plates on here that allow this to come off easy. Now, I'm just hoping for the hell that I don't break anything taking this off. You basically want to just break that seal, and that's the biggest pain. Once you do that, and having my hand behind there is probably not the smartest thing. See, the support stanchions, as you can see, are popping off. Oh, there we go. Almost scared myself. So now that it's off, I'm going to give you a closer look to all the cameras. I have to do that. And like I said, it looks like he's got little icicles hanging from him. Heat up the spatula in hot water. That's a possibility. I may have to resort to that next time. So now you see these little things here? That's the webbing, the support webbing. Okay. Take that off. And then we're going to break off this little piece that's connected to his mouth. And this, and it's just very thin, just to support his ear. You know, and I'll have to clean it up a little bit. You know, get like maybe a razor or something. Now, I assume when they made this dog, this came with this model came with the printer, excuse me. They probably calibrated this perfectly. They probably calibrated it perfectly for their printers, you know, because they know exactly what their printers can do. I'm making that assumption. I don't know that. So again, here's some of that webbing, the support webbing. The stanchions went here. That's why it was tough for me to see. Look at that. I mean, man, I don't even see the layers in that thing. I'm trying to see if my camera can get focus on that. Hold on, I gotta bring it to one other camera. It's got a dirty foot. That's okay. Now, I'm gonna get that there. Wish I had a spinning table. But this looks pretty darn good. And if I had printed this, and I think in black or another color, you might have seen the imperfections better. But I'll tell you, it's not, I don't want to say it's smooth, but for lack of a better word, this thing is smooth. I'm a model, you know what I mean, and I do my little dance on the catwalk. Anyway. 8 hours, 26 minutes, and 59 seconds, so 8.5 hours. Some of you stuck with me through this whole thing, which is amazing. I don't know how you do it. No sandwiches, no food, no chicken, nothing like that today. I was too busy doing this and doing some other things around the house. Thank you very much for joining me. You guys are awesome. Guys and gals are awesome. If you like this video, all 8.5 hours of it, or even 1 second of it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you know when I put out a new video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Take care. And there is no air fryer to unplug today, but I will unplug the printer. Take care.